Welcome students to the next topic in language, that is articles. We all know that the words a, an and the are called articles. Articles are actually demonstrative adjectives and are used to point out people or things, and they are always used before nouns. As you can see in the image, the articles a and an are indefinite articles in which we do not know the subject, and the, that is a definite article where we know the subject. To begin with, we are already familiar with the alphabets. We have 26 alphabets which are further divided into two, that is vowels and consonants. Starting with the use of a. We use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. Example, a girl, a clock, a lamp. As you can see in the image, it's all used with a singular number. That means singular nouns. Now you can look in the image we have. O makes the same sound as W in one. You can see in the example, one-eyed monster. Although it's beginning with O, now you'll tell me it's beginning with a vowel. Then why are we not using an? I told you articles are always based on sounds. So accordingly we have used a one-eyed monster. That one is referring to W, W-O-N. Coming to the second one, when U makes the same sound as Y in U. For example, uniform and used plate. Again you can listen to the sound U, that is Y. That's why we are using a before it. For the other examples, you can see a university, a uniform, a 1 rupee note. Now here we can conclude where we use a, that is before beginning with a consonant sound, before a singular noun beginning, and third, even before vowel letters which don't have vowel sound. Moving to the next article, an. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. As we all know the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Example, an orange, an umbrella, an eye. Now we can conclude where we use an. We use an before a word beginning with a vowel. Examples you can see an apple, and other examples an ant, an island, etc. Second, we can use it before a word beginning with H but not sounded. You can see here as we read out, it's not read as honor, it's read as honor. So you can listen the O sound in it. And I told you wherever you hear the vowels like beginning sounds, then you can understand where you place your A or an. So here an honor, it's beginning with the O sound. An R, an honest man. And the third place is in abbreviations, if the consonant begins with the vowel sound. Example, an MA, an MP. Now let's read about the definite article the. The is used before unique objects. Example, the sun, the sky, the moon. Second, before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts. Example, the Ganges, the Sahara, the Pacific. Third, before the names of books, that holy books. Example, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran. We use the when we know that there is only one of a particular thing. Example, the sky, the world, the North Pole. We use it before the superlative degrees. Example, the best, the tallest. Next is before musical instruments. Example, the flute, the violin. Before an adjective to denote a whole class. Example, the old, the rich, the poor. Now I am going to tell you about where else can we use the definite article the. We can use it with such words as first, last, next, only, same, following, previous. The next one is we can use it with the names of trains, ships, aeroplanes. Example, the Taj Express, etc. Newspapers, that is the Indian Express, the Hindu, the Times of India. Next is well-known buildings like the Taj, the Gateway of India. Countries, if the names contains a common noun like the United States of America, the United Kingdom. Next is we can use it with the directions, that is the north, the west, the east, the south, and with the whole families that belongs to like the Marathas, the Bhatiyas, etc. Coming to the last segment of this unit, omission of articles. That means where we omit the article. We don't use any article. That is before the names of relations like father, uncle, sister. Second is before the names of material like gold, silver, diamond. Third, before proper nouns like lotus, Chennai, Priya. Fourth, before abstract nouns like honesty, wisdom, truth. Fifth, before language, can be any language, example Tamil, Hindi, English. And sixth, before certain phrases, example at noon, by train, on foot, etc. So students, with this we have completed this topic. I hope you all have understood it very nicely. Kindly go through the videos, the audio once again, and please remember it very nicely, the rules before doing.